One mistake installing a window AC can crack your window, or worse, it could send the whole unit crashing outside. So here's the right way to do it. Start by opening the window and removing or sliding up the screen. The screen keeps the AC from sticking out the window. Next, I like to place a board on the windowsill instead of letting the AC sit directly on the narrow lip. The board gives it a solid surface to support its weight. Now lift the AC into the window and make sure it sits flat on the board. Slowly lower the window until it's resting securely on the top flange of the unit. If your AC didn't come with side panels, you can buy replacement ones at Walmart, Menards, or Amazon. I'll link a few in the description. Now you're ready to add a couple shims above the window sash. This keeps the window from accidentally sliding open and letting the AC fall out. Now you're ready to plug it in and make sure it's running properly. I'm installing this one in my laundry room to keep it cool and help my drywall dry a lot faster. And that's it. Your window AC is installed and safely ready to go.